Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the microphone or audio input capture to mono so that it can output the audio to both left and right speakers. Okay, so in OBS, you click on File, menu at the top, then click on Settings. In Settings, on the left-hand side here, click on Audio. Then you go to the right hand side, and in the general section you click on channels. Now at the moment it is being grayed out because I am recording the video with OBS, so this has been disabled. But once you stop the recording, so if you're not in the recording mode, this is what happens when you click on it. When you click on the options, it shows here mono and stereo, so you want to select mono, so select mono options, and then just click on the OK to save the changes. And that's it. Once you do that, you should be able to set your audio to mono, and that will output the audio to both speakers. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.